Today, we're going to be diving into how to use ChatGPT for your business. We will be focusing on 3 different powerful ways. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or freelancer, this video will show you practical ways to leverage ChatGPT's superior knowledge in business to streamline your operations and boost your productivity. By the end of this video, you'll know how to save at least $500 to $1,000 a month by automating tasks that would otherwise cost you time and money. So if you're ready to unlock new potential for your business with AI, let's jump right in. You can use ChatGPT as a business strategist. Running a business means constantly making decisions, whether it's about launching a new product, setting goals, or understanding market trends. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm business strategies, develop marketing plans, and even set smart goals. The best part, it works like a virtual consultant available 24/7 and charges you nothing. You can ask it for competitor analysis, help with product positioning, or even create to-do lists to stay on track. You'll save hours of planning time and reduce your need for pricey consultants. Let me show you how. So creating a business strategy plan is vital to the success of your business, which is why it's important to have someone that can work alongside you for the strategy for your business. This is where ChatGPT flourishes. It's important to give GPT a lot of context about the situation or the business you're in. So what I'm going to do is give it some context here. So here you can see I gave it proper context. I said that we have a business. We were doing well for a couple of years, but then business started to slow down last year. We've had some negative reviews about service times, and we are not running ads or are active on social media. Can you build a strategy for my business to obtain more customers? So here it's going to take all the context, which is why it's very important to be thorough with what you're giving it. I would be way more thorough, but for the time's sake of this video, that's what I gave it. It says, this is what I would do: enhance customer experience and address service time issues first. And it's talking about staff training, technology implementation, and address the negative reviews, which is great. It's talking about reputation management, which is awesome for SEO as well. And it says, I would create an active online presence because it's vital. And it talks about why. It gives you the exact ways that it would utilize social media activation. And it says that email marketing could be very beneficial too. And it would be great for retargeting campaigns, building a mailing list and stuff like this. Is powerful stuff in marketing. And I'm a marketer, so I would definitely do this. It says run targeted advertising campaigns, which is the bread and butter for businesses on Google search. So that's awesome. And here's some extra stuff. And introduce promotions and loyalty programs. It's got some ideas for you there. Partner up with food delivery apps. That's powerful. And it gives you a concise plan of how to fix the fact that your business started to slip, which is what I told it in this last year. This is more powerful than calling someone up, paying thousands of dollars to get their opinion. And GPT is smart. All right, this is where you probably expect me to pitch you some expensive course, an exclusive community with magic money tricks, or a newsletter that'll make you a millionaire overnight. But nope, that's not my style. I don't believe in selling you empty promises, building my success on your good faith. What I do believe in is giving you real knowledge and tools, the kind that most people charge a fortune for, absolutely free. Why? Because when I started my business, I wish someone had helped me the same way. Now, if you've got a business but struggle with getting new customers, have poor search engine ranking, or need a website or a better website, I'd love to help. Visit www.joshualeebryant.com or give me a call at 423-579-3261. Let's set your business on the path to exponential growth today. Now let's get back to the free content. Let's talk about using ChatGPT as a social media content creator. Staying relevant on social platforms can feel like a full-time job, but ChatGPT makes it much easier. You can use it to generate engaging Instagram captions, brainstorm viral content ideas, or create weekly social media calendars in just minutes. Let me show you how. Give it a little context. I have a restaurant. This is the business we've done. We want to start getting into social media posts. My restaurant is a pizza shop. Here's their website. Can you write 10 posts for my business to use for social media content? It says, yeah, man, I got you, no problem. So what it does is it's writing the content, and it's awesome that it tells you what the image needs to be that to accompany the content. It gives you hashtags and everything, and it even tells you what your call to action should be for the link to your website or the link to your shop's your pizza shop's phone number. I mean, this is awesome sauce, and that's funny to say, but this saves you so much time because it's telling you exactly what to do. Even here it says, actually, instead of making this an image, make this a poll to where it engages with people on your social media. What's your favorite pizza? BBQ chicken or spinach and feta? But this also gives you ideas of promotions that you can run for your business in the future. You really need to utilize GPT here to create social media content for you as well. Here it says, highlight a customer review. That's powerful to create social awareness and build trust with future clients or future customers from past clients or past customers. This is a powerful use of GPT for your business. Did you know that ChatGPT can serve as your personal business teacher? Whether you're trying to learn a new skill like SEO, accounting, or marketing, ChatGPT can act like your personal tutor. Instead of spending hours watching tutorials or enrolling in costly courses, just ask ChatGPT for advice on specific business topics. It can break down complex ideas, summarize books, and even give you actionable steps to improve your business operations. This is a game changer for those who want to stay sharp without spending thousands of dollars on training programs. Let me show you how. So because a lot of small business owners jump into business and they skip college education in business, but they have specialized knowledge in their respective field, this is where GPT really can shorten the gap of knowledge that's really required to run a business properly, and you not having to go to school. Here we give it some context. Here's a business that we run. This is what we've done over a year or two. Things are slowing down. This is our shop's website. I have a lot of knowledge in making pizza, but I lack knowledge in business analysis, management, and finance. What are some topics I should learn? And then we're just basically asking it, what should we learn? So here it says financial management, business analysis, and data. So we're gonna pick one of these and tell it to teach us what we need to know here. Okay, so here we picked leadership and team building. I said, can you teach me this? Start with the basics, and as we talk back and forth, move on to more advanced lessons. Let's start lesson 1. And here, we're talking about lesson 1. It's going to talk about the basics of leadership and team building. It's going to emphasize what it is, and talk about the different ways that there are different leadership styles, reflection exercises, and it's going to walk us through step by step. Be like, hey, can you quiz me on this lesson? And then sure, here's a multiple choice test. So it's going to ask you tests on this lesson to see if you remembered what it asked for and what it taught you. After you submit your answers, you can see if you got them right or wrong, and it will know how to guide you with teaching you what you got wrong. This is a whole new way to learn business. So I appreciate your time watching this video, and I hope it was very helpful to teach you ways that ChatGPT could save you a lot of money with your business and time.